Introduce highlight features and quick overview of XPlode Robot Vacuum Cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. XPlode Robot Vacuum Cleaner highlight features or overview summary are include. All new LiDAR technology, laser robot vacuum with mapping technology and silent option. Designed to be the slimmest. Best robotic vacuum for pet hair with robotic mop. Very easy to use, works with Alexa. 3000 mAh battery capacity, can clean your entire house. 6 cleaning modes: intelligent, self-recharge, automatic recharging when the battery is 20% remaining. You will receive the best quality materials, design, and features for half the price of the competition. Robot vacuum cleaner and mop. With the XPlode application you can make an appointment to clean. It will be clean when you get home. You can start and stop cleaning and schedule your robot to clean whenever you want. Alexa allows you to start cleaning with your voice. Vacuums and mops for up to 120 minutes with consistent powerful suction of 2000 PA at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. The most efficient electric vacuum, auto vacuum. XPlode puts their robots through rigorous testing, performing thousands of hours of real-life use to give you a reliable, ultra-powerful clean. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.